Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Can I sell products on Vagaro? Before I dive into the answer, let's take a quick look at what Vagaro is. Vagaro is a cloud-based business management software for beauty and wellness professionals. It's a great all-in-one solution for booking appointments, managing clients, and marketing your business. But can you also use Vagaro to sell products? The answer is yes. In fact, Vagaro offers a robust inventory management system that makes it easy to track and sell your products. So, if you're a beauty or wellness professional who wants to sell products to your clients, Vagaro is a great option. Here are some of the benefits of using Vagaro to sell products. Easy to set up and use. The inventory management system is very user-friendly, so you can get up and running quickly. Track inventory levels. Vagaro automatically tracks your inventory levels, so you can always see what you have in stock. Set up pricing and discounts. You can set up different prices for your products, as well as create discounts for special promotions. Sell products online. If you have an online booking site, you can also sell your products through Vagaro. Integrate with other systems. Vagaro integrates with a number of other systems, such as accounting software and e-commerce platforms. So, if you're looking for a way to sell products to your clients, Vagaro is a great option. It's easy to use, powerful, and flexible. Now that I've answered the question, can I sell products on Vagaro? Let's take a look at some of the other features that Vagaro offers. Booking appointments. Vagaro makes it easy to book and manage appointments. You can create different appointment types, set up availability, and send reminders to your clients. Managing clients. Vagaro helps you keep track of all your client information, including contact information, appointment history, and product purchases. Marketing your business. Vagaro offers a number of marketing tools, such as email templates, social media integration, and online booking widgets. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive business management solution, Vagaro is a great option. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.